No, it's alright. Yeah. Okay. No, I'm on my video right now. YouTube? No, not Kids Bob. Who wouldn't? What? I don't care. Okay, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later. Actually, I'll call you later. Okay. Hey guys, that was just my BFF. She's awesome. And just a minute, I just am an awesome friend. And it's just cause, I say goodbye. I don't like my curly hair anymore. My mom's now gonna straight it. See, skirt. I really don't like it anymore. Cause it's, I know, right? You know, cause my curly hair is awful, right? Isn't it? I really don't like it. See, it's curly. Oh my god, I forgot about it. My cheerleader practice today. I gotta go. Hey, Ashley, yeah? Can you go leave me at my cheerleader practice? Can you? Yeah? Okay. Get ready. Okay. Bye.